I've spent the last week working on your website and I'm really excited to show you what I've done.
Love it. It's perfect. It's better than the internet.
That's great. I'm so pleased. I'll package it up right away.
Actually, I hate it. I despise it. What is this? This is a website. It smells. It smells like a foot.
I'm sorry. It's a website. It doesn't have a smell?
Yes, it's a website, of course. Maybe it's you. Maybe you smell. I don't like you. I mean it. I mean you. Yes, well, my wife is going to hate it. She hates everything.
Since we're on a tight schedule, would you mind being a tad more specific?
Needs more pop. I need more pop. I need to be like Britney in the 2000s. It's like a nice Fanta orange. You got it? More pop. Pop. Pop it.
I'm not quite sure what you mean.
It needs to be more traditional, yet modern. More playful, but serious. It needs to be more decorative, yet minimal. You understand?
Those are contradictory qualities.
It needs more jazz, okay? Do you understand this? More jazz. Like the Angel Gabriel and Frank Sinatra doing a nice Tinder date. Or guacamole on a croissant and a labradoodle crossed with a pigeon. Is that clear? Do you understand? Look, are you bloody stupid, boy?
Ooh.
And I don't like this. I don't like this bit over here.
What bit exactly do you mean when you say that?
The words right here. You see this? These two words here.
That is the name of your company.
Yes, I hate it. Change it. Change it all.